phone user there. Yep, he's using the phone. I can clearly see the phone. Clearly messaging. And we'll just come around here. Done. Don't need to deal with her. That's an expensive car. And number plate. Another on the phone. Oh my goodness. E1. Unbelievable. Diane Ritchie. Handheld. Active phone call. Two of them. What's the bit? He'll also be on the phone. Dash mounted. Can't help thinking this lady in the Mini was on the phone just because of a very delayed start. He is on the phone. He is on the phone. Clearly see the phone there. You can clearly see talking. You gotta put that phone away. They're happily giving you something. Hello there, sir. Don't believe you're meant to be holding and looking at your phone. Do your passengers know you're on the phone? 50980. Very clear video on his phone. Very clearly held. Very clearly not parked and moving in traffic, as you can see. Or, see, he's parked. Wouldn't you say a word to him? Even if his engine was running, which I'm not exactly sure of where the point and law cuts off, he's parked up. Interesting long gap. Knew it. There's a phone and I can see a lit up screen. I can hear ringing. Shopping for shoes. Hurry up. Oh dear. She really threw that phone away, huh? You're right. Just pass me when you're ready to, because I'm
waiting for these cars.
No, I realise, but that's why I said when you're ready. I'm busy catching them on the phone. Have a good ride.